Hello, Beng Yeow from Porta-Fi, and today we are unboxing Janus, the first pair of in-ear monitors from DDHiFi. The first pair of in-ear monitors, one might ask, yes, in terms of commercially available in-ear monitors. One recall actually last year during Christmas, we did receive a pair of in-ear monitors from the brand. That was more of a surprise gift and probably the first attempt by the team to design a pair of in-ear monitors and get their feet wet in the process. While it is not a commercially available release, it does play a significant part in the realization of Janus today. From the design of the in-ear monitors, which ensures compatibility with two of the most commonly used earphone connectors, to the realization of a zipless genuine leather storage case, it is clear that Damon and team seeks to create an experience rather than just another pair of IEMs. So let's start by unwrapping the package. Now let's move over to the overhead view to start the unboxing. Now in front of us is the E2020A. What is that, you might ask? That's the model number for Janus. And in alignment with the DDHiFi's environmental friendly approach towards packaging, the Janus is also available in a recyclable paper packaging. So let's now remove the sleeve to see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you would find two components. This is the leather case, and this is the accessories box, I believe. But let's see what else is in the box. So right now we have the quick start guide. It's available in 7 languages, I think. So now let's take a look at what's in the accessories box. You have, of course, the forest cable, I believe to be the magnetic cable clip, and of course what you normally get in terms of the warranty card with DDHiFi. So there's nothing else in the box. I'll put this aside. So now let's take out everything first before we go on one item at a time. On behalf of the team, I'd like to thank you if you have hit the like button for this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and set the notification on so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. With that, let's resume the video. Now that I've taken everything out from the package, let's take a look at the content in greater details. First up is a magnetic cable clip. It's available in a bi-color scheme, which matches with the rest of the accessories. This is Forest, one of the cables under the new Air series by DDHiFi. In this case, it is the bundled cable for Janus. It is finished with MMCX and 2.5 mm balance connector. This is the genuine storage case, which is zipless. The closure is totally magnetic clamps, and it doesn't matter whether you are closing it left, right, or right, left. which makes it really useful regardless of whether you're left or right-handed. Also in the package are two sets of ear tips, one that is bass bias and one that is treble bias, dependent on your bias towards the sound signature or what adjustments you require to make upon hearing Janus. There's a very interesting thing in the package, and this is what we call the MMCX hole dust cover, which if you notice on Janus, if you were to be using the 2-pin, you would have the MMCX jack that is exposed. So with the MMCX hole dust cover, what it does is that it will actually cover the hole when it's not in use to reduce chances of oxidation or contamination due to liquid exposure. So this is the in-ear monitors, okay, and as you can see, the right has a red color element, which makes it a lot easier to identify the left and the right. And that's the end of the unboxing. With that is a wrap. We'll be subjecting Janus to the standard burn-in sequence to prepare for a review proper. Do check back later for a full review of Janus from DDHiFi. With that, this is Beng Yeow signing off.